I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble unlocking your Etsy account, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Visit the Etsy login page. Go to the Etsy website and click on the sign in button at the top right corner. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Etsy account and click Submit. You should receive an email with instructions to reset your password. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Etsy with the subject Reset Your Password. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. Make sure to check your spam folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 5. Log in with new password. Return to the Etsy login page and enter your email and the new password you just created. This should unlock your account and allow you to access your dashboard. If you follow these steps and still have issues, consider reaching out to Etsy support for further assistance. Good luck and happy selling!